Hello and welcome to FluentUp English. Today's story is about a boy named Leo. It's full of adventure, kind actions, and useful English expressions. Let's begin. A normal day begins. Leo was a 12-year-old boy who lived in a small town near the sea. The town was quiet, with colourful houses, friendly neighbours, and a park full of children. Every day, Leo went to school in the morning and helped his father at their fruit shop in the afternoon. Leo was a helpful and honest boy. His parents always told him, always do the right thing, even when no one is watching. On a Friday afternoon, the sun was shining and the weather was perfect. The sky was blue with a few white clouds floating like cotton. After finishing his chores at the shop, Leo put on his sneakers and said, "I'm going to the park to play football with my friends." His father smiled. "Have fun, son. Be careful." Leo took his small backpack and started walking to the park. It was only 10 minutes away. On the way, he saw a few people walking their dogs, some kids eating ice cream, and an old man feeding the birds. The mysterious phone. When Leo arrived at the park, his friends hadn't come yet, so he sat down on a bench to wait. As he looked around, he noticed something shiny on the ground under the bench. He reached down and picked it up. It was a smartphone. The screen was black. It looked new. Someone must have dropped this, Leo thought. He looked around, but there was no one nearby. Leo turned the phone on. The screen asked for a password. He couldn't open it. But suddenly, a notification appeared. "If you find this phone, please call Mom 555-234-8912. Leo didn't think twice. He pressed the number and waited. After 2 rings, a woman answered. "Hello," she said, sounding worried. "Hi, Mom. I found this phone at the park. I think it belongs to your child," Leo said. "Oh, thank you so much," the woman replied with relief. "That phone belongs to my son, Max. He lost it an hour ago. We were playing here, and he must have dropped it." A meeting in the park. 10 minutes later, a woman and a boy around Leo's age arrived at the park. The boy looked very upset, but when he saw Leo holding the phone, his eyes lit up. "That's my phone!" Max shouted. "Thank you." Leo handed him the phone with a smile. "You're welcome." Max's mother was very grateful. "You're such an honest young man. Not everyone would do what you did," she said kindly. She offered Leo some money as a reward, but he politely refused. "No, thank you. I just wanted to do the right thing." They said goodbye, and Leo went to play football with his friends, who had just arrived. But he couldn't stop smiling. He felt happy inside. Back at home. That evening, during dinner, Leo told his parents a whole story. His father nodded and said, "You made the right choice. I'm proud of you." His mother added, "Good things come to good people." Leo asked, "But what if I had kept the phone? Nobody saw me pick it up." His father replied, "True character shows when no one is looking, and remember, what goes around comes around." Leo liked that idea. The following week. A few days passed. On Tuesday, something surprising happened. After school, Leo went to help his father at the fruit shop as usual. Around 5 p.m, a woman came in. It was Max's mother. She smiled and said, "Hi again, Leo. Do you remember me?" "Of course," Leo said. "This is for you," she said, handing them a small envelope. Inside was a thank you card and 2 tickets to the town museum's new science exhibit. On the card it said, "Dear Leo, thank you for your honesty. Max told me how kind you were. We hope you enjoy the science exhibit." Leo was very excited. He loved science. The day at the museum. On Saturday, Leo and his best friend, Sam, went to the museum. There were many interesting things. dinosaur bones, space models, and science games. They even watched a short 3D movie about the solar system. At the exit, Leo saw Max again. "Hi, Leo!" he called out. "Hey, Max!" Leo smiled. Max introduced him to his cousins, and they all talked for a while. Then Max said, "You know, if you hadn't found my phone, we would have never met. Now we're friends." Leo laughed. "I guess good things really do come back to you." A school surprise. The next Monday, something unexpected happened at school. During the morning assembly, the school principal made an announcement. "This week, we want to celebrate students who show good values. Today, we honor Leo for his honesty and kindness. Leo, please come to the front." Everyone clapped. As Leo walked to the front of the schoolyard, he received a certificate of honesty and good citizenship. His teacher smiled and said, "You didn't just return a phone. You set an example for everyone here." Leo felt proud, but also a little shy. He looked at his classmates and smiled. Okay, this is end of the story. See you next time.